So sometimes there are situations that you don't want an integration to run. For example, if I create a new form and simple generic form, I just call it a test form, and let's say I have three screens. First, that is a name, then email, and the last screen is going to be a multiple choice question or yes no. So I can add multiple choice or yes no. So the purpose is I take username, his or her email, and then I ask if you want to sign up for our, let's say, MailChimp. So if you want to sign up for newsletter. Now what we want is that if user says yes, then we need to store his data or her data in our MailChimp list. If not, then we are going to avoid that. So for this, first I need to create an integration and apply on that. For here, just for demo, I'm going to apply a WhatsApp forward integration. So what it does is, if I edit this, and it just opens the WhatsApp, opens the form for WhatsApp. Here, why I'm doing this, just to show that there is work being done in logic. So next I need to apply a logic. For this I need to go to the logics, and from here I need to select a new logic. So I'm going to create a new logic. It is going to be server side logic, and name of logic is, let's say, avoid WhatsApp. For example, you can consider it that we are using it as a MailChimp integration. So what we can do is, I have test form selected in my form helper. Then I need if input of screen and screen 2. So yes was 0 and no was on 1 index. So that is if it equals 1, that mean option is no. Then what we need to add action, that is remove integration, and we need to copy and paste the ID here. So what we can do, we go to desk, we go to integrations section, and the integration that we want to avoid we want to avoid executing based upon that logic. Copy that and we paste the ID here and save it. That's all. And we need to publish the form. So I edit the form and I click on publish, and now I open the form. So if I say, I just give my name, and if I say yes and I submit that, it will open WhatsApp. And if I refresh it, I type my data again, and here if I say no and I submit that, as you can see that integration is not applied. So that is a very useful and very powerful function of Aliveforms.